In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can transfer USDT from Binance to another Binance account. Now, the first thing you need to do, guys, is to copy the wallet address. Like, you want to copy the USDT wallet address from the account that you are trying to send like USDT to. So if you, for example, your friend, if you are trying to send USDT to your friend needs to go to wallet in the top right, and you need to click on fiat and spot so that they can get the wallet address. Scroll down. Okay, send this to your friend if they are trying to get the wallet address. And this is USDT. You want to click on deposit, like next to USDT, you want to click on deposit in the action section, deposit, and then select the network. So you want to go with BNB Smart Chain, and this is the wallet address. Okay, you want to click on copy, and you have to send the wallet address to you so that you can send them USDT from your own Binance account. So after you get the wallet address from them, you want to click on wallet, fiat and spot, and then scroll down, and you want to find exactly USDT again. You want to find USDT. Next to it, you want to click on withdraw so that we can transfer this to them. So, and then you want to enter the address here. This is the address, and the network, you want to select the same network that your friend has selected when you are trying to get the wallet address, the USDT wallet address, like we selected at the beginning, BNB Smart Chain. You want to select again BNB Smart Chain. Yes, I'm sure. And here where it says the amount, you want to select the amount that you are trying to send. You want to click on withdraw. That's it. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.